The exact origin of human speech is still not fully understood, but it is believed to have emerged gradually over time. It is widely accepted that early humans used simple sounds and gestures to communicate with one another, and over time, these developed into more complex forms of language. One theory is that the development of language was driven by the need for social cooperation and coordination among early humans. As humans lived and worked together in groups, they needed to communicate more effectively in order to survive and thrive. Over time, the use of simple sounds and gestures evolved into a system of vocalizations and gestures that could convey more nuanced and specific information. Another theory is that the development of language was driven by the need to convey abstract concepts and ideas, such as religious beliefs, myths, and stories. This would have allowed early humans to pass on cultural knowledge and traditions from generation to generation, and to build complex societies with shared beliefs and values. The process of language evolution is thought to have taken place over a period of many thousands of years. As language evolved, it became increasingly complex and sophisticated, allowing early humans to convey more and more information in a precise and efficient manner. It is likely that the evolution of human speech was influenced by a variety of factors, including the development of the human brain, the emergence of culture and society, and the need to communicate with others. Whatever the specific factors that drove the evolution of human speech, it is clear that the ability to talk has been a critical factor in the development of human culture and civilization. Today, human speech continues to evolve and change over time, reflecting the changing needs and experiences of people all over the world. Despite this ongoing evolution, the ability to talk remains one of the most fundamental and important aspects of human life and culture.